As you can see, Chinese people in different regions have distinctive characteristics, but they have retained some common features characterized by an even temper and a peaceful mind, which are deeply rooted in Chinese wisdom and philosophy accumulated in the past thousands of years. In China, there are old sayings like, living harmoniously with others, but don't follow the tide blindly. Be neutral and not partial to any sides, as well as, in obscurity, maintain your own integrity, and in times of success, help the world and the others. All these thoughts have deeply influenced the national character of Chinese people. In the following part, we will summarize some tips to understand Chinese people's cultural beliefs and values. First, the widespread influence of the belief of moderation. In China, the culture has been shaped largely by the tenets of Eastern philosophies and religions like Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism. In each of these beliefs, the key tenets and values include harmony, fortune, and community. Most Chinese people adhere to the principle of middle way or moderation and don't like to go to extremes. In a country with such a large population, keeping peace and harmony is always a major concern, which is considered as a sensible attitude and approach to living in this world. Second, family is a top priority. In Western culture, young people will be fully independent when they reach 18. In China, family ties are much closer. Family members of 3 or 4 generations often live under one roof. This is often the preferred choice for many Chinese families. The elderly can pass on the life experience to their children, and the latter can take care of their parents at the same time. Respect and close relationships with parents are the norm in China, as opposed to the more individualized approach in the West. No matter where they live, Chinese people always long for a family reunion, and their profound love for the motherland and hometown always linger in their heart bottom. Third, they attach great importance to health. In China, many people like drinking herbal tea and doing traditional physical exercises, such as Tai Chi. You may struggle to understand why your Chinese classmate wears a thick coat on a day you might prefer a light jacket. Or you will probably wonder why your friend offered you hot water in the middle of summer. Hot water is seen as a healthy option even in the heat of summer, which is based on China's traditional medicine beliefs about hot and cold temperatures in the body. Besides drinking hot water, the Chinese will often wear winter layers much longer than foreigners. Fourth, Chinese people don't like being blunt when talking with others. Many people always hear that Asian rhetoric styles are very circular. Chinese people often circle around a point before finally arriving at it. They are very polite and tend to use euphemism when talking about delicate and sensitive topics. However, some people will give opinions very directly. This is not an indication of rudeness. Most Chinese people don't like being blunt when talking with others. Fifth, Chinese people are very friendly and they are open-minded to the outside world. Chinese people now are happy to embrace the people and cultures from other countries. The 2008 Beijing Olympics, the 2010 Shanghai World Exposition, and 2016 Hangzhou G20 Summit showed China's national strength to hold important international events and Chinese people's hospitality to welcome friends from all over the world.